Try out the difference. This is the DynaBoost.
You are now at 7, 8.
That's a crazy difference.
Yeah.
Shut her down.
Oh, right there.
Hey everybody, we're here at Con Expo showing off our new DynaBoost grease gun and comparing it to what a normal grease gun feels like for our customers. You're not going to have a pressure gauge handy when you're using your grease gun, so this is going to give everyone a sense for what's actually happening behind the scenes. Got my friend and colleague Matt Miller here.
Hello.
To do a little hand modeling, show off your strength.
Let's do it.
All right, this is a nice gun. This is made in Germany. It's got 2 modes. We've got it put into pressure mode here. And with the pressure gauge connected, you're gonna be able to see what's a normal, comfortable range that you can build with that grease gun. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Let's really give her, see what you can do here. We're at 2,000,
Get yourself
3,000.
Whoa.
Keep it going, what you got?
Am I weak or what?
4,000, no, that's pretty good actually. 4,000, okay. I'd say that's about average for what we've seen at the show here.
Oh, thank you.
So it goes to show, just because the pressure rating on the gun might be 8,000 or 10,000 PSI, that doesn't mean that you can actually physically build that much pressure, right? So this gun, 4,000 PSI.
Let's give this
Now let's step over to the DynaBoost.
All right.
And here, there is an indicator pin on the back.
Right.
So what's happening in the DynaBoost is we're using 2 pistons to drive high flow, driving as much grease as possible. You're gonna get twice as much grease per pump when you start.
Ooh.
When that pin pops out, it's telling you it's switched automatically into high pressure mode.
Gotcha.
Unlike this gun where you have to toggle back and forth between the two, this is happening inside the head.
Nice.
When you get into that high pressure mode, you'll feel it and you'll see what's happening with the pressure gauge and what you're actually able to do comfortably as compared to a normal grease gun.
Nice.
So why don't you give it a go here, start pumping.
Let's do it.
All right, so that's 2,000 PSI. The pin has already popped out. You're already at 6,
This is
7, 8,
This
9,
is too easy.
10. All right, stop there, stop.
Woo.
We're at 11.
I could have kept going.
Exactly. You could have easily gone
could've
higher.
kept
The
going.
gun could keep going, but we
Right.
don't need to. When that high pressure mode engages, it allows you to build all that pressure without additional effort. Now what I'm gonna do is, on the back of this, I'm gonna clear the pressure,
Right.
which simulates disconnecting the coupler. When I clear the pressure, that pin is now put back in.
Okay.
The gun has automatically switched back into high flow mode. You don't have to do anything.
Wow.
And so when you go to the next fitting, it's ready to go.
Can I get one now?